hot outside. I'm off of work. You know, I just woke up. I was just like, I'm gonna find something to do, and I came up with the idea that.
Hey, hop in the Maybach cruising. I get the cake, they lose it. I get the cake, hoes choose it. These niggas fake, we do it.
Now, my side mirrors right now, they're plasti-dipped black, and I had those like that for a few months now. And it don't look too bad, but I think I should change it up now. So what I'm gonna do today is wrap it in carbon fiber. I'm also gonna try to wrap the little accents on the steering wheel. You know, the little pieces that's like around the buttons and stuff. I'm gonna try to wrap those in. And then I'm gonna wrap the mirrors. I'm gonna do the mirrors after that, because I know the mirrors are gonna take longer, because I gotta take it all off the car, take the actual mirror out the housing and stuff, and then, you know, take the cover off and all that, and then do it all over again. All right, so I pulled the car in the garage. I was gonna wrap the steering wheel outside and just have like an extension cord going out there, but it's hot as shit out there, so I brought it in here so I could do it in here where it's cool at. And now hopefully I can get it done, you know, in a good amount of time so that I can start on the side mirrors. All right, so I got everything. Got the wrap right here. Gotta go ahead and start doing it. These are the pieces that I want to wrap, these little silver accents and stuff. They don't look too hard to wrap or anything, but hey, we gonna see. You know, I'm gonna try to work a little something out to get it up in there. I was messing with it, and like, you could pull it up a little bit, like it'll pop out just a little bit. You just can't get it past like the airbag and stuff. So I'm gonna see what I could do and try to get it up in there and stuff. So this wrap is the same wrap that I use to wrap my trim pieces and stuff, like this right here, and this piece right here. And I got it off of eBay. The prices ranges, like, I think the highest it go to is like $80. I think, I'm not sure, but it's pretty good wrap for its cost. So I'm gonna just put the link down in the description if you're interested, and then you can just go ahead and check it out and stuff. All right, now I just cut this piece out so I can get it to fit on here, and I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to it. But first I gotta see how I'm gonna set y'all up on this so y'all can see. I think I'm gonna put it like this. Grab this handy dandy blow dryer. Man, you know what? I'm gonna just see how I could if I could remove these things. Fuck it, cause so I couldn't wrap it. It's too hard. So I'm not even gonna try to like continue to do it. So I'm just go ahead and wrap my mirrors and stuff, and then see how that turn out. And yeah, I also got these LED lights. I'm gonna put one of them in my third brake light, because that whole setup is like shitty. Like at night, every light, the tail lights, the third brake light is real dim at night. You ever seen them like at night, like the tail lights, or like whenever they brake? Like, it's just so dim, and it just look terrible. The quality of it look terrible. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy new tail lamps, and I'm gonna buy like some LED tail lamps while I have the third brake light as a LED. All right, so it's the next day now. Yesterday I didn't even get to wrap my mirrors, so today that's what I'm gonna be doing. But first I gotta go out there, take the mirrors off the car, then I'm gonna bring them back in here and then start wrapping them. And another thing, if you're not subscribed already, make sure you go ahead and hit that button down below. That'll help me, you know, help my channel grow and stuff. And there's also one right here. There's one right there. Go ahead and press that. You know, I'm at 34 subscribers right now. Go ahead, you know, give me the 50. That's only 16 more. I ain't asking for too much. And, you know, everybody that is subscribed to me now, I really appreciate that. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate all the feedback that y'all give me, everything like that. So I'm gonna continue to try to, you know, give out more content, put out more videos. I know some of y'all were telling me, you know, make my videos longer and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to do that. Well, I'm gonna do that, you know. I'm trying to grow. Help me out. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to me. Everybody that is, I really appreciate the love and the support, all that. But I'm gonna go ahead out here, take these mirrors off the car and bring them back in, and, you know, I'll see y'all. All right, I need to grab me a socket, so I can get that mirror off. Need a 10mm socket. Need to clean these things dirty. To get your mirrors off, you just gotta take off these 3 bolts. This one, and then this one right here. I already took them off. And then that's it. You just gotta pull it right out. Make sure you take this plug out. All right, I got one mirror off, but it's hot as shit out there. So I'm gonna just bring this one in, and then I'm gonna take the other one off later. It's just hot as shit out there. So after like 20 minutes, I finally got the cap off. This thing is hard as a bitch to get off. It's hard as shit. I broke a piece of the clip off, but that shouldn't really mess up anything. But yeah, it's pretty hard to get off, and it took me about 15-20 minutes. But as you can see, I took it off so I can wrap it better. I was just gonna wrap the whole thing, but then I thought about that might just fall off and stuff. It might start peeling and then everything. So I'm just wrap the mirror cover. Is it the cover? If it's the cover, whatever it's called, mirror cover. I'm just wrap that. Now I'm peeling this plasti-dip off, and this shit is taking forever, man. But once I get it off, go ahead, clean it with some alcohol and start wrapping it. I finally got all the plasti-dip off of the cap, and this is only just one, and it took me about 45 minutes. So the next one, I pretty much know what to do, but it's still like a whole long process just to get it off. It took like 15 to 20 minutes to get it off the actual mirror, like the whole housing part. And then it took about another 45 minutes to actually take the cap off. Altogether, it took a while. It took over an hour just to get all that done. The next mirror is going to take about an hour based off of this. So, it's a long process. Now I finished the first cap, about to go get the second one off the car. It turned out pretty good. I just need to cut some of this extra vinyl off, and then this will be good, and I'll put it back on. All right, so now I got both mirrors on. As you can see, look at that. That looks nice. I messed up on this one. Now I got these little creases in here that I can't get out and stuff, but oh well. Overall it looked good. So I'm not upset or anything. I'm not mad about it. Nothing. I like how it turned out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out so y'all can see it out in the sun.